In honor of St. Patrick's Day, I'll show you how to make a dreamy, tasty, non-dairy Shamrock Shake. Always wear food safety gloves. I'll be using my Ninja Fit personal single-serve blender. To the blender cup, add about 2 cups of frozen banana and a cup of coconut milk. To the milk, I'm adding a few drops of green food coloring. Whisk together to get a bright green color. Pour milk over the bananas like so. Add a few drops of peppermint and vanilla bean extract. Secure the blender attachment carefully. Attach the blender to the Ninja base and pulse to blend. Pour the shake into a glass. Top with non-dairy whipped cream and rainbow sprinkles. Grab your straw and enjoy. Ooh, that tastes good, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.